Homeowner DIYers still trying to figure out water treatment to prevent toxic, polluted water exposures, wondering if you can do it yourself or need to hire someone? Well, it's time, my friend, to have the talk. This won't take very long, but it's important to your family, so listen up. It makes no difference what your water source is at home. Today, it is nearly impossible to avoid contaminated exposures in any form of water if you live inside of an industrialized country like ours. Even if you dodged a bullet today from harmful water exposures, what about tomorrow? Will you be prepared? While the rest of the world stresses about water-related issues and headlines, we shouldn't sit and worry. We need to stand up and protect ourselves and our families right now. Sadly, though, when people try to do this on their own, they still remain unprotected from their water supply because they assumed everything is okay for years, only to discover later on previous installations reveal mistakes that cost families needless exposure to toxic water contaminants for years. DIYers also like to watch how-to videos to get quick answers, but often those who act on that information get bit because it was either misunderstood, misconstrued, or it was completely taken out of context. It's happened to me, I know. And just like when that happened, it can result into bigger problems that are inconvenient, to say the least, and sometimes quite costly to correct. There are no do-overs. If you're looking for true peace of mind to protect everyone at home, adding that final layer of home protection through its source water is absolutely crucial. You need a guide who's already had decades of experience proving what works and what doesn't work in treating your home source water, while having all of the information closes that loop and eliminates vital missing gaps of key information. If you don't yet have comprehensive water treatment skills, I want to teach you. I'm talking about people taking on their next home improvement water treatment project, knowing it very well may be the single most important upgrades they'll ever perform. And if that's you, I'm inviting you to a special online event because times have changed. We live in a different world. I'm going to share with you exactly how to get what's working right now. A solution that offers real peace of mind for protecting families, which begins only when their water has been corrected inside of the home. Doing so provides a greater chance to live longer, healthier, and more productive lives, which all add up to a greater quality of life. Click the link somewhere on or around or below this video to register to get the information. But hurry, because virtual seats are limited. I do hope to see you there.